Hey there, thanks for tuning in. You're watching Bronco Outdoors. Taking your skis and snowboards out into the winter weather and slopes should be the easy part about going skiing and snowboarding. But for many people, it's not. That's why today we're going to be taking a close look at the BougeRV locking ski and snowboard racks. These should make for loading your cargo a breeze, allowing you to enjoy that winter weather a lot more often. We're going to be taking a look at the assembly, installation, real-world use case, and of course give my final thoughts at the end of the video. Be sure to stick around at the end of the video to find out how you can save 10% on your order of these racks, and as well, please leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe. That's all for now, let's get on with the video. Here's everything that comes in the box. You'll get your 4 crab mounts, your 2 racks, an instruction manual, and the only tool you'll need, the Allen key. Step 1 is to go ahead and find the screw located on the top of the crab mount, use the Allen key, and then you could just back that screw out. You'll want to do that to all 4 crab mounts first, making sure to keep the washer and screw together. Then using the key, we can go ahead and open up our rack, move our red lock to the side so that we have access to the screw hole. Simply thread that screw straight through the hole and attach it right onto your crab mount. You only need to tighten this down a little bit, and that is enough to secure it on the rack. Now we can go ahead and slide our rack down, giving us access to the other hole. BougeRV included 2 convenient mounting locations depending on your setup of your vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and use the shorter one. Now that that's all done, we can slide our rack back, slide our lock back into place, and close up our rack. That's really it. And now we'll go ahead and repeat that on the second one. That's all there is to it. Now let's go ahead and throw these on top of the Bronco. All right, here we are outside at the Bronco. We're going to go ahead and run through the installation of the BougeRV locking ski and snowboard racks, as well as do a real world test of locking in a snowboard. So definitely excited to see how that performs. It's gonna be very simple to install on top of your car, truck, whatever it is. As long as you have your roof racks, all you're going to need is the Allen key they provide, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you'll want to do is open up the crab mount system wide enough so that it can fit over your entire roof rack. BougeRV's intelligent yet very simple design allows for it to have a wide fitment of all types of roof racks, and it's as simple as setting it on top of your roof rack, opening up the rack itself, and locating the adjustment screw. Once you tighten that down, you'll see that it gets a very good grip, and it is surely going to hold any of your cargo very well. Moving on to the other side, you want to be sure to open up the red lock that is located here so that you can slide the mount out of the way, giving you access to the other side of the adjustment screw. And once you tighten that down, you can slide back the rack, and we can see that it is very, very secure. Moving on to the second rack, BougeRV conveniently included 2 locations for the crab clamp, so you can see on a shorter rack you can still fit it. And for the same setup, we can go ahead and open up the rack using the key and lock, locating that adjustment screw and tightening it down, making sure we hit that red lock so that we can slide the rack out of the way, giving us access to the second screw. And once we have that tightened down, we can slide the rack back into place. And that's really all there is to it. It's a very simple yet effective design that, in my personal opinion, I think looks really great as well. Next up, we'll go ahead and demonstrate how to actually use the rack. So you can slide out the tracks here, making it very easy to load up your snowboards or skis. You can fit 4 snowboards or 6 pairs of skis. Simply slide them back in, and once you have them in, make sure you hit your red locks so that they don't slide out, and simply clamp down on your cargo. And we use the key to lock it up to ensure that there are no unwanted guests visiting and getting a free snowboard or ski. And as we can see, very secure, as well as the cargo itself. So that is pretty much it. The snowboard is very secure up there, and of course, as easy as it was to put up there,
it's just as easy to take down. There you have it. Well, I think these racks are absolutely awesome and a must-have item if you have any plans of hitting the slopes this season. You definitely want to make sure you pick up a pair of these BougeRV locking ski and snowboard racks. Totally awesome, super simple to use and set up. I just can't recommend them enough. So if you are interested in checking these out for yourself, go ahead and check the video link description down below. I'll have their direct Amazon link as well as a link to their direct site where you can use my coupon code shown here to get yourself a little bit of money, a little bit of savings, and go have fun this winter season. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all being here. Thanks. Bye-bye.